We're just days away from the big energy of Dr. Stacia and Ariana Pierce's Ultimate Success Tour Orlando. Manifest the life you love. For only $99, you're going to get a half day of coaching and not only learn how to manifest, but for the guests that attend this live event, you're going to learn how to have instant manifestations while in the sessions.
I literally took a photo that I did from a branding session, photography session this morning, and I made a sale.
I started implementing things while I was there. Are you kidding me? Yeah. So, and I actually, while I was sitting there, I was making money.
I got all these ideas of how I could make money, and I actually booked a contract before even leaving.
The first 15 minutes, just being in the room, I got inspired, and I got my first idea immediately, and I wrote it down. I was like, oh my God, it's a $1 million idea.
Dr. Stacia gave me one simple tool or technique. That one idea turned into $15,000 in less than 24 hours.
At 4 o'clock, a PO, one of my distributors, came in for exactly $22,000. It does work. That's what Stacia's talking about.
Are you really trying to manifest the life you desire? Then meet manifestation experts Dr. Stacia and Ariana live in Orlando. Lock in your seat today for only $99. Limited seating is available. Log on to theultimatesuccesstour.com today.